Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 4 book. As you know, I started this chapter and last day I have taught you till here. Today I will start from here. Does that mean that all the children in Maharashtra speak Marathi? Asked Mrs. Wilson. So Mrs. Wilson is asking, okay, that all the children in Maharashtra speaking Marathi language only. Who is asking? Mrs. Wilson. Okay, not at all, replied Mrs. Desai. Children speak in their own mother tongues. For example, Hanif uses Hindi at their home while the Sikh boy Karan speaks Punjabi. So Mrs. Desai replied, not at all. Children speak their mother tongue, their own mother tongue. So Mrs. Desai is saying that children is speaking their own mother tongue. Like Hanif is using Hindi in their home and Sikh boy Karan speaks Punjabi. Okay. What language are spoken in other state? Asked Mrs. Wilson. Mrs. Wilson is asking what languages are spoken in other state. Who is asking? Mrs. Wilson. From whom? From Mrs. Desai. Well, each state has its own language, such as Tamil in Tamil Nadu, Bengali in Bengal, said Mrs. Desai. But we also have a common language for India. So Mrs. Desai said, each state has its own language. Tamil is in Tamil Nadu, Bengali language is in West Bengal, said Mrs. Desai, but we have a common language for India. In India we have a common language also, which is spoken by all of them. Which is that? Asked Mrs. Wilson. Mrs. Wilson is asking which one is that language. Hindi, replied Mrs. Desai. Hindi is spoken by the largest number of people in India. Whether we speak Gujarati, Marathi or Bengali, we try to learn Hindi. This common language reminds us that although we come from various parts of India, India is our motherland and we all belong to India. So Mrs. Desai said Hindi is our common language. Hindi is spoken by large group of people in India. Whether we speak Gujarati, Marathi or Bengali, we are trying to learn Hindi also. Okay, this is a common language that is reminding us that we come from various parts of India. Okay, but India is our motherland and we all belongs to India. Motherland means India is our native country. How happy children are, exclaimed Mrs. Wilson. Mrs. Wilson is saying, children are very happy. Not only children, even we adults are happy today, said Mrs. Desai. After all, we are celebrating the day when we became free. When we became free, for over 200 years, the British ruled over us. Our countrymen and women, led by our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, fought for freedom, and many of them suffered a lot. They were sent to jail, some were even killed, but they struggled and died so that we could be free. So Mrs. Desai is saying not only children are happy, we adults are also happy because today celebrating the day because we became free. To 200 years British ruled over us and our countrymen and women was led by Mahatma Gandhi, who fought for our freedom and he suffered also a lot. He was sent to jail and some of our freedom fighters died in this process, but they struggled and died also so that we could get freedom from Britishers. Mrs. Desai, I fully understand what you feel, said Mrs. Wilson. After all, we Americans too had to struggle for our freedom. I know why you feel so happy on this great day. So Mrs. Desai is saying, Mrs. Wilson is saying, I understand how you are feeling. After all, we Americans had to struggle for freedom. So Mrs. Wilson is also saying we have to also struggle for freedom. I know why you feel so happy on this great day. So he's saying why you are feeling happy. I know. It was getting dark. The children had finished playing games. They thanked Vimla and her mother for a wonderful evening. Goodbye, Mrs. Desai. Thank you, Vimla, said the children. So it was getting dark. The children finished their playing games. So they thanked Vimla and her mother for a wonderful evening. So goodbye, Mrs. Desai, they are saying. And thank you, Vimla, said the children. So they are thanking Vimla, the children. Thank you for coming, said Vimla, and she waved them goodbye. So Vimla in return also, she is also saying thank you to the children, and she is waving them goodbye. The chapter completed. Before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will draw this picture in your literature copy. Okay, that's all.